present, beloved Lord, Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, Director Sir Ma'am, teachers, guardians, and my dear brothers and sisters, and my dear friends. It is a great privilege to be here this morning. Today I am here to speak about my dream of a beautiful India. India, my dreams, is the country full of peace, harmony, compassion, and happiness. It will be a country where all the countrymen are educated and responsible enough for the country's development. In the India of my dreams, I shall see many traditional artists of classical, dancing, singing, and many other ancient art forms being appreciated everywhere. I want people of my country to appreciate our culture and preserve it for many generations to come. I want my motherland to be scientifically advanced and technologically better. It will also be a country where agriculture is given special attention and every farmer is given economic help if he faces loss due to natural calamities. It will be a country where everyone takes the responsibility of keeping the population in control. It will be a beautiful country where all the roads will be clean and there will be fresh air everywhere. There will be greenery all around and children will not have a shortage of playgrounds. Mere prosperity of humans is not enough. Preservation of wildlife and forest is also equally important. There will be no difference and people will plant more trees initiated. I wish to live in India where all the people are respected equally irrespective of their caste, color, creed or financial status, where women feel safe in the society and they are respected, where India is developing rapidly is almost every field, but still there is poverty in many parts of the country. There is a might gap between the rich and the poor. Some people are too rich, while majority of the country people are from middle class or under the poverty line. This certainly is not India, my dreams. I want every citizen of my country to live a decent life. India, my dreams, will be powerful and developed country where citizens will live united. There shall be no communal riots, crimes, and explosion. Citizens will not suffer from bad health, hunger, or unemployment. In short, India, my dreams, will be a country where citizens feel happy and safe. All the citizens would able to enjoy and live a good quality of life. Thanks. Bande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki jai. Jai Hind.